Have you wondered why industries love these big containers so much? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. And today I want to talk about one of the most popular containers for bulk liquids in industry. This 265-gallon tote, also known as an IBC tote. One single tote holds about 265 gallons or roughly 1,000 liters of material. To put that into perspective, that's the same as about 53 5-gallon buckets. Imagine stacking all of those just to equal one tote. And when it's filled with water, this container weighs over 2,200 pounds or about 1 metric ton. These totes are widely used across industries for transporting and storing liquids like coatings, additives, chemicals, and raw materials. Food-grade versions even carry products like syrups or edible oils. They are made from heavy-duty HDPE plastic surrounded by a steel cage, which makes them strong, UV-resistant, and safely stackable, a huge advantage when saving warehouse space. And probably the biggest benefit is cost efficiency. Buying coatings or raw materials in totes reduces the cost per gallon significantly in terms of packaging and freight. That's exactly why we offer many of our products, including ShingleX 800 and Silex 100, in tote packaging for larger projects and bulk orders. If you are working on big jobs and want to improve logistics and reduce costs, totes are often the smartest solution. Alright, questions, comment below. Like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.